All right guys, so this is the Make It Delicious set. It's a little behind the scenes tour. Come inside. So firstly, probably the most important room of all, this is the hair and makeup. This is where the real magic happens. Now obviously I don't need anything, but you know, people like Colin Fastenage need a lot of work in the morning. So here, this is the set. We've got all the beautiful styled ceramics, pots and bowls, all the gorgeous sort of cutlery and stuff there. This is the prep kitchen. So to be honest, this is actually more impressive than most restaurant kitchens. Solid stoves, burners, combi ovens, sort of everything you need, gastros. It's really impressive. This over here, this is the Bar of Dreams. This is where we have our wine tastings for the show. Very, very nice. Cocktails, wine, spirits, whatever you like. So this is our set kitchen. This is where we do all the demonstrations. We've got chefs like Josh Nyland, Adam Da Silva, Alana Sapwell. We come here, we have a chat, and then we cook up a storm. And all these guys make the magic happen.